studies show that 63% of firefighters will get cancer, and 1/3 of line-of-duty deaths in 2020 were from COVID-19. These tragedies are not only devastating to the first responders and their families, but they're also detrimental to their departments and communities. After leaving a fire, personnel, clothing, and equipment are contaminated with cancer-causing particulate soot. And some items will continue to off-gas VOCs that can be inhaled for up to 45 minutes. In addition, close quarters and apparatus increase the chance for exposure to a range of bacterial and viral threats. Crew Protect is a revolutionary air filtration unit that eliminates multiple threats in the cab, including VOCs, particulates, and viruses. TFT has partnered with Purifil, part of the Madison Filtration Group, the largest air filtration company in the world, to integrate their proven and patented filtration technology into Crew Protect, which converts all the cab air into hospital operating room quality within 3.5 minutes. Crew Protect is a plug-and-play solution for new or in-service trucks. It's compact, easy to install, and turns on with the truck. It can take a beating and keep on cleaning. Crew Protect, eliminating the threats you never saw coming.